Signify really excited to be here in London at LuxLive 2018. We're launching some different products this time around, specifically Philips TrustSight, which is our new Generation 3 emergency conversion kits. This is a significant project for us. More than 2 years of development to launch this Generation 3 of the TrustSight portfolio. There are some market-leading features in this product range. This one here I have in my hand is a lithium iron phosphate converter. So using the new battery chemistries, gives longer life, higher maximum temperatures, and also extended warranty, which is important for our customers and their customers. In this one, which is the DALI version, so you can control it using DALI commands, we've also incorporated an NFC chip. So this is programmable, not just configurable, but also programmable. So our customers, the lighting manufacturers, can program certain parameters of this converter to their specification. So the key elements we had in mind whilst designing this TrustSight portfolio was safety, reliability, and compliance. So some of the features and benefits in this product range allow our lighting manufacturers who make the luminaires to comply. They know it's reliable, they know it's going to be safe in the event of an emergency, but also the end users, when the lighting system's installed into their application, can know and have the peace of mind and the comfort that their system complies and is safe, and hopefully never has to be used, but if it does, it may save a life.